Hey everybody, Mr. Thompson with Personal Achievement Martial Arts. I'm going to go over your beginner core lesson this week, and we're going to work on something really fun. It's called ground fighting is what it's called. All right. So this is something that isn't ideal. So maybe you were in a situation where you got pushed to the ground, and you got to figure out how to get back up to your feet quickly, but you still got to defend yourself while you're on the ground. So we're going to kind of break down that defense part on the ground. Thankfully, it's not as bad as it sounds. There's definitely some downsides to it, but you guys should be able to get back onto your feet pretty quickly if you follow some of these directions. So, step number one, you guys fell down. Oh no. All right, you got pushed. Oh, maybe you did your break fall. Bam, I'm right here. Now my opponent is going to be standing up right above me, looking down at me, and they might be trying to come in and do some punches on top. Now, it's a bad position down there, right? That means they can get on top of you and they can start just wailing away and you're pinned down. They've got gravity on their side. It's a losing battle at that point, right? We do not want to let them get close or on top of us. So what we're going to practice is we're going to do a little bit of kicking, right? You guys have seen like 2 or 3-year-olds throw a tantrum, right? We're going to look a little like that right now. That's okay, all right? I'm going to take my feet and I'm going to practice just boom, pushing out. Boom, pushing out, right? So I want you to lay down with me right now on the ground. Make sure you can still see your screen. You're going to come up and just kick. Do it with me. Go kick and kick. And you're working on kicking high. Working on kicking low. Maybe to the side, to the other side. All right, you're just working on this. You're keeping your feet up, and you're not letting that opponent get through. My hands are still up by my face, just in case they do, though. I'm still kicking. And I'm kicking just like that. Now, next part, we've got to work on turning our body, all right? Because maybe our opponent or tries to go around us, right? They're going to try to come around this side and get around my legs, right? That's not good. I don't want that to happen. So if they start coming to the side, I've got to be able to turn. I've got to be able to turn. So I put one foot down, and I'm just going to push myself to the side, push myself to the side, and I'm just going like this. All I want you to do right now with me is just practice pushing to the side, pushing to the side. All right, pause the video really quick. I want you to just keep going around the circle, back and forth. Make sure you change directions every now and then. Go for it. Go. Pause the video. All right, so hopefully you got that movement down. Now you're putting it together, right? I'm coming right here. I'm kicking and I'm moving around. And this is going to be really key because you're about to have a partner that's going to try to get you. All right, now. Your partner can have a little pad like this. I recommend something a little bigger, all right? If you have a kicking shield, awesome, all right? If you have a couch cushion or something a little bit along those lines or a nice big pillow on your bed, I would recommend using that as this is a small target, and whoever's on the ground, after you start going on this drill, they might miss their target, all right? So just same for the pad holder. A little bit bigger one is a little nice, but all you're going to do pad holder is you're just going to be moving around and you're trying to get around their legs. They're going to be kicking you away, trying to make you stay in the same spot. You can circle around, you can do whatever you want, and they have to follow you and move around and do those kicks to keep you away right there, right? So that's what I want you guys working on. Now pad holder, if you get around their legs, you're trying to just squish them right on the chest. That's all you're just trying to get right on top. That signifies that you were able to get on top and now they're in a worse position, all right? So I want them staying on defense and they're just kicking, and you're just going around, they're circling around using those kicks. You're gonna do that for 1 minute nonstop, and then you're gonna take a break for 30 seconds. And then you're gonna do it again for another minute, take a break for 30 seconds. And then one more time, that'll be a fast round at the end. It's just gonna be 15 seconds of intensity, so a quick 15-second round, and then that's it. All right, so go ahead. You guys can end the video right there. Get that done. Have a little bit of fun and be safe. Whoever's on the ground, make sure you're in control. Try to kick the target and not the person. All right, we'll see you later. Bye.